In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Canva Pro. If you've ever found the perfect template, stock image, or design element in Canva and then realized it was locked behind the Pro plan, you know how frustrating that can be, especially when you're trying to finish a project quickly. Upgrading to Canva Pro gives you access to premium assets, more storage, advanced editing tools, and brand features that can make your workflow much smoother. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to upgrade your account safely and confidently. To get started, open your web browser and go to Canva's official website. Make sure you're signed into the account you actually want to upgrade because all billing and subscription settings are tied to your main account dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right area of the page near your profile icon. This is usually where Canva places account-related options, including upgrade prompts. From there, find the button that says Try Canva Pro or Plans and Pricing and click on it. If you don't see that option in the top right corner, don't worry. You can also check the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard and scroll down until you see an upgrade option. Clicking that will open Canva's official subscription window where you can review the available plan choices. Once the pricing screen appears, take a moment to compare the monthly and yearly billing options. Canva usually lets you switch between those two views so you can see which one works best for your budget. The monthly plan is useful if you want flexibility, while the annual plan often gives you a lower overall cost if you know you'll be using Canva long term. This is a good time to pause and choose the billing cycle that makes the most sense for you. After selecting your preferred plan, click the button to continue, which may say, Start my free trial or upgrade to Pro. Canva will then take you to its secure payment page. Here, choose the payment method you want to use, such as a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or another supported option depending on your region. Carefully enter your billing information and double check everything before moving on, since even a small typo can delay the process. Finally, review the subscription summary and make sure you understand the billing terms, including whether the plan renews automatically. When everything looks correct, click the final button to complete the upgrade. After the payment is processed, Canva should refresh your account and unlock the Pro features right away. You may also notice a Pro badge on your profile, confirming that your upgrade was successful. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.